What if your computer didn't just answer your questions, but actually did the work? Imagine telling it, plan my weekend trip, and it books the flight, finds a hotel, and sends you a reminder, all on its own. That's the power of AI agents. And today, I'll explain what they are and why they are about to change how we work, learn, and live. What is an AI agent? An AI agent is an autonomous software system that takes instructions from humans and then reasons, plans, and performs tasks to achieve a goal. It can use data, tools, memory, and even collaborate with other agents to complete complex, multi-step actions, all without you micromanaging every step. Think of it as an assistant that thinks, does, and not just a fancy chatbot. Let's make it simple. Imagine you tell your friend Alex, plan my birthday party, book the place, order pizza, and send invites. Alex figures out what to do first, checks options, makes calls, and confirms everything. Now imagine Alex lives inside your computer, and that's what an AI agent does. It takes your goals, thinks through the steps, uses apps, APIs, and online tools, and actually get things done for you. Under the hood, most AI agents are built of these 5 key parts. First, goal, what you ask it to do. Second, reasoning, how it figures out the plan. Then number 3 is tools, the apps or APIs it can use. Number 4 is memory, what it remembers from before. And number 5 is safety and guardrails, checks to keep in from going rogue. Now, when you combine all of that with a powerful language model like GPT or Claude or Gork, you get something that doesn't just respond, it acts. Now, you often hear people mention patterns like react, plan and execute, multi-agent systems. So what are these? So we'll start with react. The agent reasons and acts step by step, adjusting as it goes. Next is plan and execute. It creates a plan, then follows it systematically. Next, multi-agent system. A team of agents, each good at different skills, working together to achieve your goal. Now these are like different ways of thinking an AI agent, how to organize its thoughts and actions. Let's see some examples. A sales agent can read your CRM data, write outreach emails, and schedule follow-ups. A research agent can scan hundreds of papers, summarize insights, and draft a report for you. A developer agent can find bugs, write tests, and even open GitHub pull requests. Big tech is already on it. OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google are building agent ecosystems inside their productivity tools. Startups are using agents to automate customer support, marketing, and code generation tools. If you want to build or try agent yourself, here are a few guiding principles. First, if you want to start something simple, no code, start with Microsoft Copilot Studio. That helps you build agents directly into the business workflows without writing code. If you don't have access or you're not using Microsoft tools, the next one I would recommend is the no-code, low-code, and automation option. Now for automations, tools like Gumloop and N8N make it easy to create AI-powered workflows and AI agents with minimal efforts. And then if you want to build complex use cases, coding-based solutions is your answer. That gives you flexibility and also build multi-agents with different flows. You can use tools like LangChain and AutoGen and many more, which can then connect to large language models and has a tool and memory connected for your custom solutions. These platforms and many more are build your own agent almost as easy as making a website. But here's the catch. Agents can make mistakes. They can book the wrong flight, misread data, or take unintended actions. That's why most systems today are still human in the loop, meaning you approve before they act. We are learning how to make them safe, reliable, and explainable so they can become true digital teammate, not just tools. So now you know what AI agents really are, not just chatbot, but autonomous digital colleague that can plan, reason, and take actions. If you like this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what's on your task that you wish to build an AI agent and that an AI agent could handle it for you.